Hello, grammar geniuses, and welcome to the Magical Noun Factory. I am so excited you're here today. We're about to learn the most important secret in all of grammar. So, are you ready to discover the magic of a noun? You know, it's this super special word that helps us name literally everything in the whole wide world. Ready to learn the secret spell? Okay, let's go. So, what even is a noun? It's actually really simple. A noun is just a naming word. Yep, that's it. It's a name for a person, like you or me, a place, like where you live, an animal, maybe like a pet, or even a thing, like your favorite toy.
Right. Here in our factory, we sort all the nouns into 4 very special bins. And believe it or not, every single noun fits into one of these. Let's see how this whole thing works. Okay, our first bin is for any person. A person is someone like a boy, a girl, a dad, or a mother. Can you say boy? Awesome. Now say mother. Fantastic. That's right, boy and mother are both person nouns.
And our second bin is for any place. A place is just somewhere you can go, you know, like a school or a house. Say it with me now. School. Great. And now, house. Wow, you're a natural at this. School and house are place nouns. Let's move on to our third bin, animal. This one's for any animal, big or small, like a little cat or a big lion. Come on, let's hear you say cat. Perfect. Now give me a big roar and say lion. Excellent. They're both animal nouns. And our very last bin is for anything. A thing is just an object you can see or touch, like a pen you write with, or a yummy apple. Say pen. And now say apple. Amazing work. You know all 4 types already. So you've learned about all 4 bins, which means, are you ready for a challenge? It's game time. You are now in charge of the factory's super sorter. Okay, first up, look at the word teacher. Now, is a teacher a person, a place, an animal, or a thing? Go ahead, point to the right bin. You got it. A teacher is a person. Awesome job. Let's try another one. Here comes the next word, zebra. A zebra has stripes, but which bin does it belong in? Is it a person, place, animal, or thing?
Yes, a zebra is an animal. Whoosh, into the green bin it goes. You're getting so good at this.
Okay, next up, the word is pencil. Take a good look at the bins. Where do you think a pencil should go? You're right. A pencil is a thing, right into the yellow bin. You are a natural sorter. We've got just one more to go.
And for the final challenge, the word is home. Where do you go at the end of the day? Where does the word home belong?
Absolutely. Home is a place. It goes right into that blue bin. You did it. You passed the noun sorting challenge with flying colors.
Wow, you did such a fantastic job at the factory today. I mean, you learned all 4 types of nouns and you sorted them perfectly. And because you did so well, I am officially declaring you a noun expert. Congratulations. You should be really, really proud of yourself. So, always remember, everything you see has a name, and that special grammar name is a noun. Okay, now for your final mission as a noun expert. Just look around the room you're in right now. How many nouns can you find? And can you tell if they're a person, place, animal, or a thing? Keep practicing, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.